Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to share with you something that's been catching a lot of attention recently, the Forex Price Action System. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably come across tons of trading systems that claim to be the next big thing, only to end up feeling disappointed. So today I want to take you through what makes this one different, and whether it actually lives up to the hype. So right off the bat, the system promises that you can grab quick profits almost every time with a trick that, according to the creator, is worth the price of the entire course. That definitely piqued my interest because the idea of having a reliable way to generate consistent returns is what every trader is after, right? But I also know that making bold claims is easy. Delivering on them is another story. So I dug into the details to see what this system is really offering. The first thing that stood out to me is the time commitment, or should I say, the lack of it. The system claims that you only need to spend around 10 minutes a day in front of your screen. If you've been trading for a while, you'll know that many systems require you to be glued to your monitor for hours on end. But here, it's all about efficiency. The goal is to quickly check your charts, place your trades, and then get on with your day. It's an approach that makes sense for those of us who want to trade without sacrificing the rest of our lives. Now, when it comes to actually improving your win rate, this system introduces what the creator calls a super stealth trick. The idea here is that it's not about making complicated decisions or using confusing indicators, but rather about using clean charts and simple, specific entry points. The system focuses on showing you exactly where to enter and exit a trade, and it teaches everything step by step. For those of you who may struggle with second-guessing your decisions, this part of the system could be a game changer. It removes a lot of the guesswork, which is a huge plus. Speaking of removing guesswork, one thing I really liked is how they address stop-loss levels. If you've ever been burned by a bad stop-loss placement, you know how crucial it is to get this right. In the Forex Price Action System, they take a set-it-and-forget-it approach. That means you can place your protective stops and have complete control over your risk without constantly worrying about being stopped out too early. Another aspect that caught my attention is how the system is built for both short-term and long-term traders. Whether you're someone who likes to trade on one-minute charts or prefers taking a look at monthly charts, the strategies are flexible enough to apply across different time frames. I think this is particularly important because it means you can adapt the system to your trading style, rather than trying to fit yourself into a mold. One of the system's strengths is that it covers what they call mega moves. So, if you're someone who's ever wanted to ride those big trending moves, but never quite figured out how to stay in without losing profits along the way, this system promises to show you exactly how to do it. This is a big deal because trending markets can offer massive opportunities, but if you don't know how to manage them, you could leave a lot of money on the table. What I found refreshing is that the system doesn't overload you with theory. Instead, it focuses on real trades, and there's even live market replay trading. So, you're not just learning concepts in isolation. You actually get to see how these principles play out in real-world trading scenarios. For those of you who are visual learners like me, this is invaluable. It's one thing to read about a strategy, but it's another to actually watch it unfold in real time. Another interesting feature is the inclusion of cheat sheets and templates. These are designed to make your life easier by giving you a quick reference guide for different market setups. I think this is great because, let's be real, no one wants to sit around trying to recall every little detail while a trade is setting up. These cheat sheets help keep things simple and efficient. You can quickly match what you're seeing on your chart with the template and know exactly what to do next. Now, as much as I like the system, I think it's important to mention that it's not going to be a magic solution for everyone. Like anything in trading, you need to put in the time to understand the strategies and apply them consistently. But what I will say is that the Forex Price Action System seems to provide a solid framework for anyone who's serious about improving their trading game. It strips away a lot of the complexity and focuses on practical, actionable strategies. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this gave you a clearer idea of what the Forex Price Action System offers and whether it might be worth your time. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried it out? Do you think it lives up to the hype? Let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.